Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna hop right into it. So some of you guys may know me from TikTok as Ty for short, or some of you guys may know me from Instagram also as Ty for short. But on TikTok I have a larger following than I do on Instagram, but honestly guys, it doesn't matter because on both platforms I've had so many messages and so many comments basically telling me that you guys don't know how to do your makeup. Oh my gosh. And it just breaks my heart because honestly, I just want to teach. Not teach, but okay, so I see everybody's messages. So I text everyone back, and when they text me, they're basically saying, oh, they're just beginning, or yeah, basically that they're just beginning and they don't know how to do certain stuff. And I'll be like, oh my gosh, hey girl, because baby, I'd be so happy to help with any makeup questions or anything like that. And I guess what I didn't realize is that there's so many young girls that's 13, 14, 15 starting to do makeup. And if you don't know, I'm 16 and I just started doing makeup a year ago. January made it a year. And I know when I was first starting out that I didn't have anybody who I could just direct message or message getting tips because, you know, people will act funny or they'll just don't want to tell you, or their videos would be so indirect and child. Anyway, so this is our journey. This is our channel. Hopefully we can grow our little family, our little beauties, and become one. Cause I'm about to teach y'all some stuff. And you know what? Yeah, I look like a bum. That's fine. But I feel comfortable with y'all already. No judgment, right? Right? Okay, so anyways, if you can't tell by the title, I guess everybody want to know how to do their eyebrows, right? So yeah, I'm gonna teach y'all how to do your eyebrows today. No biggie. All of my stuff, beginner products, drugstore products, nothing expensive in this video. I don't use any expensive products, so you guys better keep watching if you want to know how to do your eyebrows for the low. So starting with our first couple products. Today for this video, I am going to be using black, but I usually don't use black. I usually use dark brown. Also, let me say something real fast. Throughout my makeup journey, like I said, I've only been doing makeup for a year, but I have started using Got To Be on my eyebrows. Can you guys see that? I've started using this on my eyebrows to lay them down. I don't know for sure if my eyebrows are getting thinner because of it, but until I figure that out, I am just going to tell you guys that I use this. I am not going to recommend that you use this on your eyebrows because I am not sure what it is doing to my hairs. So yeah, but I am going to be using this for the video in case if you guys do want to use it. If not, then just follow the same steps except for don't do this, okay? Okay, so I am taking my e.l.f. Instant Lift eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. Like I said before, I think I mentioned it, that for this video, I am using black for only the purpose of this video. I always use dark brown, and recently I have just started using this pencil, and it works wonders. Now I'm taking I Got To Be glue, and I am just gelling down my eyebrows. Sorry if you hear that noise in the background, but yeah, sorry. I'm just gelling down my eyebrows. Okay, so next I'm taking my eyebrow pencil and I'm lightly going across the natural shape of my eyebrow, literally following it. You don't want to draw directly onto the hairs, but right underneath. And when it comes to the top of the eyebrow, you just want to draw the pencil right over where the hairs stop. You'll see me doing it. Okay, so starting the concealing stuff, I'm taking my e.l.f. Hydrate and Concealer Satin Finish, and I'm just putting that on my eyebrows and starting to conceal them. You want to put the concealer right under where you just drew your line at. And with this step, you want to be very precise because this determines how your eyebrow will turn out as a whole. To make your eyebrows thinner, you go closer to your hairs, and to make them thicker, you come further down.
Purchase your tracks today.
So next I'm going to take my Fit Me foundation in the color 365, and I'm just going to overline the pencil. Just like I did with the concealer, I'm just doing it with the foundation of my shade. So usually I use a brush, but this time I just went in with my beauty blender and I just blended the concealer out. Okay, so since this is a natural look, I am taking my Fit Me foundation in the shade 365 again, and I am putting it right at the front of my eyebrows, and I am blending it out. So it's not that much, but this is the final look with the makeup and the eyebrows. Get into it. So yes, first video down, eyebrow tutorial. I hope you guys learned something. And yes, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see next, because this is about to be a long and learning process, and I'm here to teach you guys everything that you want to know. Yeah. Yes. Follow me on TikTok at Ty4Short. Follow me on Instagram at Ty4Short. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube like I said before. And peace out.